Okay, so looks like we're up. We're working on this. This is just a bug, and so this one might be pretty quick. Okay, so it looks like I'm streaming. Let's go ahead and close this. What Wi-Fi am I on? Yeah, it's the good one. Okay. Okay, so I don't quite know what this is. It's something we need for iRubrics integration in LTI. I don't know why we don't already have this, but let's find out. cd dev, cd Sakai scripts. Make it a little bigger. To the trunk, master, whatever it's called. Trunk. Get status. Am I messing with this at all? Okay, I'm playing with that. I'll just leave that alone. Pull upstream master on the master branch. Yeah, okay. Some people put some stuff in. Push origin. Put that in the master. And then I'm going to compile the whole thing. Recompile, make everything fresh, and then I'm going to start doing my research here because I can compile and do research. Basic LTI. Grep minus R. Is that already in there somewhere? No. What is term property name? It's from Ramesh, and it's from the iRubrics guy. 2016. Man, I've been screwing around on this for a long time. Who else watching this? Is Ramesh got a... Guess I'll stick him in there so he gets so he can see me making changes. Let's start progress. Let's go ahead and tell it we're starting progress. And here we go. What is term property name? Well, he's got some code here. Term property name, he's got it. Server configuration service, term property name. Oh. This. Well, I guess I need that. Back to that Jira. That's where the name of it is. Let's just make sure I didn't already add this. Let's just say it. Let's make sure I already didn't add this. It would be like me to add this and forget to close the Jira, but it's not there. Okay, let's have some fun. Let's see. That's in a util. Find. No. Find dot minus name star util star jump. I can talk more on these when it's not as intellectually challenging. So, Sakai here, I think is what we got. Role info. What is this? This is site. Yeah. There's a placement info. Site info. Just and site info. This feels like site info to me. I got stuff in here that oh, need to get my tabs right. All these really weird ones, it's good to reference the Jira. Just to make people's lives a little simpler. So, I'm not going to do this in Knit. I'm going to do this in here. That's not what I get. Yeah, I know. I should not use the static covers. I know, I'm a bad guy. Sorry. Is there a default second parameter there? Return myself empty string if nothing's going on. So I get something. Let's turn property name. Cool. Let's just copy and sort it so I don't keep going back and forth. What? Doesn't look right. You have a site variable, right? I'm gonna have to test this. Let's put some print statements in here. Damn Java string length dot length. Is it dot size? Is it dot length as a property? Some of the things that piss me off when I'm going back and forth between languages. Property name, dot length. Create a 0. Call Loom. Grab the session ID. That's right. We'll print it out twice, and we're going to do, what are we going to do? We'll do extensions for LTI2. Diggity, diggity, diggity. How do I do that? Well, let's just do LTI1 for now. I barely know what I'm doing. Oops, quit that. I don't really even need to know what this does or why it does it. It's a well-structured Jira, and I'm just banging her in. I'll probably send a mission note to test it. Wow. Something. Apache, Sky properties. Bob. Yeah, my compile finished, so that's pretty. Now let's add that. Sure looks pretty good. Well, we can leave in Ramesh as double parentheses. Not my style. So now we'll go to basic LTI and compile. Compile from here down. I'm compiling a service, an API, and that requires Sakai to be down. So Sakai is currently down at this point. Let me get my thing set up. This is my Sakai tail. It's my compiler screen, and then all these other things are code screens. But this one is zippity doo dah. Like, it's going to be really frustrating. It took me like 20 minutes to fix it. It's only 10 in the morning. Looking at the wrong one. So that's compiled. Let's start Sakai. Oh wait, do we have MAMP running? We do have MAMP running. So let's start.sh. Tail. Someday I have to learn how to use the debugger. Who knows, someday maybe I'll make myself a DigitalOcean that just is my Sakai development environment. First, then I can't work on planes as well. What else? This is so easy, I've got nothing else to do. All this is coming up. I might just kind of catch up on Twitter. put that on my thing. Oh, dude, I love Rasmus. He's a good guy. Who's this? Jeff on there. Wow, he's the Edmodo guy. Whatever. He doesn't do LTI. Hey, Jeff, you don't do LTI, so whatever. I don't care about it. I just follow you to be annoying. Go Tim. Oh, man, I can't retweet all these things. Oh, we're done. Enough of Twitter. Let's log in. Let's go into Administration Workspace. The way this works is it has a site property, it looks like. And I named, looks like I better search for that, Mercury. All our test guys are in the way. Go to Mercury. This is our like low-level back-end thingy. Properties, add and edit properties. This is written by Glenn, Bob, and we're going to have the value of 42. I'm going to save that. Okay, now if I go to Mercury, I sure hope that, well, let's see what we got going on. What is this? Is that an LTI link? It was an LTI link. What happened? Why didn't that print statement come out? Compile it. Yes, I did. Finder this. What? So let's see what's going on. Site info. There are, and there should be 2 places to add that. Okay, well, when in doubt, use the Yada approach. And then recompile, and shut her down and start her up. Watch her compile, that'll be quick. I'm still in that util class, and so that's why I just have to recompile the whole thing. I mean, I don't have to recompile, I only have to recompile the subs tree, but I gotta restart Sakai. So that means I'm going back to Twitter. See what I got going here. I just retweeted some stuff, so I can't retweet much. What's going on? My retweets. No. Okay, nothing too exciting there. V12 conference. It's that season of the year. there's nothing good on that. Log out here. It's not really logging out because this guy hasn't started back up yet. What else are we gonna go on? Getting bored. Wait for it to start. Still not. Well, it's my next year to work on. What's this? Yeah. These are the Jews that I'm supposed to work. This one I'm going to hold off. Oh, we're up, we're up, we're up. Log in. Go to Mercury. Go to Lessons. And clear the tail. And launch an LTI tool. And it didn't even run yet. How can that be? It didn't even say yada. Okay, let's go to site info, manage tools. Let's run through that code. See if external tools run through that code. Portlet. It's working perfectly, but I'm missing the code path. Why am I missing the code path for new style launches? Okay, so that's cool. Why am I missing the code path for the launch? So there's old style launches, which is this external tool, and then there are the new style launches, which are all the things that happen here, right? Yada, yada, yada. Oh, that's because it's a system-wide one. And these are all the new style ones. So in Lessons is all about new style, right? So Lessons is that external tool. These are all the new style guys. No, I'm the devil. Oh! That's not even an LTI tool. That's a local link. I'm a fool. I'll leave that in there. Okay, let's put an LTI link in. All the launch. What happens here? Oh, he's broken. Oh, this is working pretty well, actually. So let's Control K on that. Let's map. Install content. That wasn't even an LTI tool. Okay, that's nice. Okay, let's launch course map. And there it works. Dang, I'm a fool. I was launching internally. What a numbskull. I was launching the Nimi internally. Okay, so that's just like, I'm too sexy for my shirt. That is really cool. Well, I'm too stupid for my shirt, maybe. Okay, so that's all working. Okay, I can take the print statements out now. So that's why I put them on. So I like VI, because I just look for system.out, println, and the oh, hey, let's go back and launch this baby. launch data. Okay, Ramesh, I have no idea if you like this or not, but that is as best I understand what you told me you wanted on this. Okay? So, time to commit this baby and get this into the trunk of Sakai and request. Let's shut down. I'm so happy. We'll do one little test. We'll compile it once. One more time. And then we'll make sure we don't have any debug prints left. And then I can do might as well do a get diff to see if I've got any bad tabs versus spaces stuff going on. Just got to make sure not to commit the stuff I did in Lesson Builder with Mimi. This thing I was testing before, and it looks good. That's the only thing. And there are no tab versus spaces problem. So that's good. We done? Yes, we are. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Tail. Bring her up. Test it one more time. Make sure we don't have any system print statements left in. There are people who get a lot of commits by finding all the print statements I leave in and taking them back out. That'd be like Earl. Earl finds stuff and he goes like, Chuck put a print statement in here. I'll turn that into a log debug. I feel shamed whenever I see a commit go by where I have a print statement that Earl turns into a log debug. But I'm glad Earl does it. Earl's a great guy. Oh, I'm so bored because it's coming up. Only taking like 90 seconds, but it's still pissing me off. So here we go to Twitter for a while. What's going on Twitter? I know. Oh, yeah, it's reality. Too much politics. Save that password. Yes, I do. Mercury. Lessons. Launch. Launch data. That looks good. External tool. Show launch data. I think you have something that turns debugging on automatically with localhost. That could be wrong. Oh, if we're running on localhost, I think I do that. Probably for old developers. That looks good. So data, continue. Okay, that baby's good. Okay, so now what we're going to do, shut her down. Get status. Now, people will yell at me, and Mitch of Noodle Partners was teasing me because of my Git weakness. But I just have this thing called Git tips. What am I going to do? This is my, there we go. And I should know this. I'm going to switch to a branch, Git status. On master, Git, check out, MSP, SAC, 31282, make a branch. Now I gotta be real careful. Git commit dot, because I don't want any of that other stuff to happen. And right now at my house, it's starting to thunder, and that's because I've made a branch, I think. Oh, I say git push origin, and then that number again. No! Good thing that that blew up on me. Teach me for cutting and pasting in the typically wrong order. Okay, that's good. So now I have to go to GitHub. This is my Dummies Guide to GitHub. I do this over and over. I'm sure there's a better way to do this, but I don't know it. I'm going to do compare and pull request. Whoop. And then I fire this pull request off. Whoop. And in a second, it will start up the Travis build. In a second, it will start up the Travis build. Come on, Travis, be my friend. In a second, I'll start with Travis, but I'll come back to that. I want to edit the merginess to this, but I'll just wait until that's done. Well, maybe we're only allowed to do one Travis. Yeah, so I guess we're probably only allowed to do one Travis at the same time. So this is the Travis for the previous. Someone had a PR earlier, 8 minutes ago, and from Jones. So yeah, so I think I just have to wait, which is okay. I gotta wait for the Travis, for my pull request. It's like, oh no, here comes my Travis. Yo, Travis. Details. I have started. Now this takes about 20 minutes. And then I know I should probably wait, but I'm not going to wait because I want this merged back to 11. So I'm going to say merge this. I mean, that's what you got to do. I've got to turn that to merge. I'm not going to merge it back to 10, but I'll merge it back to 11 because this is a simple, obvious thing. I don't know how many more 11 releases. We'll probably do at least 2 more 11 releases before we're done. So, I don't know. I don't know how long we've been going. We've been going for 33 minutes. I fixed that. I added that feature to Sakai, and I got to wait another hour and then do it. Look at the pull request, but that's going to take about an hour, so I'm going to do something else. So for now, I'm going to sign off and stop streaming. Cheers, everybody. See you on the net.